Daniel, that tuk tuk is about to topple over.
I know, 1 second, I'll get out. Ah! Hello!
We woke up to this amazing view. It's very local around this area, but they call this place Nuwara Eliya Little England. Apparently a lot of places look like England. I wish we could explore it. Oh, we just don't have time. But we'll see everything as we drive. Actually, to mention as well, I actually said it in the last vlog, but there was so much tea plantations. I mean, we were driving for 3 hours and it was all tea plantations just the whole way. I've never seen that in my life.
We just ran out of fuel.
Oh.
In these tuk-tuks they have a spare tank, so when you run out of fuel you have an extra tank that gives you 30 kilometers. So all I have to do is change the setting. So I'll just go down the hill here now.
To be really there was a lot of revving last night getting up those hills.
I don't need fuel, I can just go downhill.
Right, so this is what you do when you run out of fuel?
And I think you just have to put that to the bottom. And that's it.
Is that it?
I think so, yeah.
In Kandy you have street dogs. In Nuwara Eliya you have street cows. Hello. Just randomly on the main road. We just stopped at this cafe for breakfast and some coffee. It's called Cafe Natters. This place is really cool. All colourful and artsy. Look at the size of this breakfast. I got a full English breakfast and look how big it is.
And you got toast.
I'm not going to be able to eat all this.
Look at the amount of food we're after getting. I thought I was getting a chicken wrap. Look at the size of that. We're gonna ride on the balls. This is Lahira, he's the owner. So where will we ride? Which one? Anywhere.
Can I have one?
You can go red.
Oh, YouTube for red.
Yeah.
We can put our YouTube, right?
Oh.
I don't like it.
Lovely. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Thank you. We're going to go and get some fuel now and then we'll be on our way. He recommended us to go to a waterfall as well. It's on the way to Ellis.
If
we might.
time.
I think we have time. We might stop off there. We'll stop off there first just to break up the journey and then get on our way.
I'm on my way, driving at night.
I'm going to leave this in.
You're alright, Janet.
Sorry. I had coffee and now I'm...
Hello, street doggy coming to say hello. 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 So Google Maps have told us to go up this road. Doesn't look like a main road at all. And the clouds are really black, so I think it's gonna start raining. I don't know, we'll see where this leads us to. I didn't see that, look at all the
This is
tea.
amazing. Yeah, we'll take a little break here.
We just pulled over. We're surrounded by a tea plantation all around us. And over here as well is really cool. This is our tea that we drink. Berries, limes, that's it there. I'm so amazed.
This is so cool, isn't it? So much tea. I wonder how they do it. Do they just pick the leaves or like...
They pick them and then...
People go around picking these leaves?
Yeah. And then they like... I don't know what the process is.
Obviously roast it or...
Grind it and roast it
Yeah.
and all that kind of thing. But that's the leaf there, tea leaf.
Such a local road we're on.
Yeah.
On the way up there we only seen one bike and we were driving for about maybe 10 kilometers.
Hello!
Hi!
Everyone here's so friendly, they always beep and wave. We're 40 minutes away from Ella now, not too far.
Yeah.
In our Tuk Tuk from tuktukrental.com. Best Tuk Tuk ever. We did mention earlier that we were going to a waterfall, but the weather is really bad right now, so we're not going to bother. We're going to go straight to Ella. We're only about 30 minutes away. So we're going to continue on our journey. So 2 minutes later we had to pull up again. There's this plantation that looks really beautiful beside us. We can actually see people working and picking the leaves.
Do you pick the leaves?
Yeah, 2 leaves.
Best quality
Tea
tea?
planter, yes.
Is this all your tea?
Yes, yes, yeah.
All yours?
Yeah, all tea and all people are and tea.
Okay.
It's our first time seeing tea.
First time, no?
Yes.
First time in Sri Lanka we sit down.
First time in Sri Lanka as well.
Yeah.
Well, I'll try it. Tastes like leaves. There's no tea taste.
This is
Wait, did you not swallow?
Oh, follow. It is any time the best.
I swallowed it. You spit out. I swallowed. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
We'll keep on our way.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks for the education on tea. Yeah. All the best.
All the best.
Thank you.
Get wheels on.
Huh?
Get wheels on.
Yes.
Yes, I know.
That was very nice.
We got a bit of education on tea because we don't know much about it. It is raining really heavily right now, but we pulled over again because we've seen people actually working and picking leaves at this plantation beside us, and it's really cool to see.
Hello!
We had to cover up and put up the waterproof things because it's lashing rain and all our bags are getting wet.
This looks cool now.
This is so cozy, I love it.
Oh, the fuel.
Good one.
Gotcha. Let's go.
Let's go. So after driving through all the plantations, we've been craving tea because that's all I've been thinking about. But this is it. Here, tea centre. I seen it driving past, so I asked Daniel to stop. We're gonna have a cup of tea.
A nice hot cup of tea is needed.
It's the perfect weather for it as well.
Thank you. This looks good.
It's hot milk. In Sri Lanka, I noticed that when someone serves you tea, it's usually served with hot milk because back home we always use cold milk. But it's a game changer. I'm gonna do that when I'm back home. Here's my straw. Oh, it's very strong looking.
It's good tea. Right, let's enjoy. That could end bad.
This road is super narrow. If anything comes, I'd say we'll have to reverse. You're okay? Yeah. All good?
Yeah. Hello. How are you? Bamboo cabana. Back. Reverse. Thank you. Just up this road.
This road, left, right.
This just right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Is that what it says on the maps?
No, of course we'll see. Oh my god. I don't know if I get up this too late.
Do you want me to get out and walk up?
No. Told us to go up a hill, but now we're at a dirt track, so I don't want to drive down in case I get stuck. But if the maps bring me to the correct place, I'll just follow the maps for now, and if I get lost again, I'll ring you.
Yeah, your location what? What's the location you are?
I'm right beside you, so I'm not too far away. I'm only 200 meters away.
200 meters.
Can you hear me? Go outside there and see. Can you hear me beeping?
Okay.
Do you hear me beeping?
1 minute.
Yeah. We'll just go back.
Oh, Daniel. Daniel, you shouldn't be going down here. It's way too mucky. Look at this road.
I think we're gonna get stuck.
You're joking.
Unless I can get in here now, I'd be happy.
Daniel. Daniel.
We're stuck.
Funny. We're stuck?
Yeah.
Fuck. Daniel, that tuk tuk is about to topple over.
I know, 1 second, I'll get out. Ah! No, we're not stuck, but I just don't want to break the wheel. How are ya? I think we're stuck. I just wanted to stop it because in case it did topple, so it's safe there now. Like no damage, it's perfect. If I can get it in there. Hi. I think we're lost. This guy's gonna help us now. I'm just afraid. Will it be easier if I push you up here? Push. That's oh yeah, handbrake that side. That's reverse. Come! Julie, get in! I can walk up, I walk up. You get in there, Julie.
I can walk up.
We walk up, come on, go. Let's wait. Thank God, I wouldn't have been able to do that. Nice and easy.
Oh!
On her tight, Julie. Bamboo cabana?
Yeah.
Oh my God. What? I don't think I'll be able to drive up them hills.
Here, for you.
Scary.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much for helping us.
Thank you.
Thank you so
What's
much.
your name?
Sasindu.
Sasindu.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much, man. Yeah, thank you. It was really good. I don't know how I'm going to be able to drive up them again. Actually, this is crazy. Hello. Hi. I'm good. I think we're here now. We just got somebody to drop us here. So Julie gave me the wrong location. We're not even at the right place. And now
the wrong direction.
the guy that drove us down is gone. So I think I'm going to have to try and drive up this road, but there's no chance I'll be able. Like, it's dirt track and it's rain and it's slippy and I think it's too dangerous for me to try that. Like, I don't know what we're going to do.
Do you want me to go back? Will you run up and get the lad again and I'll pay him another 500?
So he's long gone. I think he could be at his house, like.
That's my fault. I'll take the blame. I'm sorry. I'm not good with directions, clearly. This is meant to have a swimming pool and everything.
We're in the middle of nowhere, like, honestly. It's really nice scenery and everything. It's class, like, but
I need to go to the toilet as well.
there's a guy here and he thinks we're staying, but we're not.
No.
Let him know.
Yeah. Just tell him wrong place.
Hello. Wrong place.
Wrong place. This is this is not expected. We're on the road again.
This road.
This road, straight.
Hello.
Say hi, camera. We're giving this guy a lift into town.
I'm an actual tuk-tuk driver
Daniel
now.
is Daniel's a tuk-tuk driver. That's where you live.
The
up here.
temple. Ah.
That's your home.
We give a beep to him.
Thank you so much.
So this guy helped us. He's making sure we got up okay.
Yeah.
Are you going to bus home?
Yes.
Okay.
That's left.
Bus back.
Perfect. Thank you so much
thank
for your
you.
help. Bye bye. I go straight. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
bye.
All the best. Thank you.
Bye. So that sweet old man, he was at the place that we were at that was the wrong destination, and he kindly came with us. He wanted a lift into town anyways. He wanted to go to the shop, so we gave him a lift, and he told us how to get to Ella, even though we have Google Maps, but yeah. He was so friendly, little English, so it was hard to communicate, but he had a good heart. He helped us. But we're on our way finally to the treehouse in Ella. That's completely my fault. I'm really bad at directions. I don't know how Daniel trusts me with directions.
This has happened so many times you don't realise. Because usually we don't vlog this when we're travelling and stuff. Julie always messes up with maps and everything, so yeah. This happens a lot.
Yeah, we're used to it.